guys, welcome to another video. So today we're going to be doing a Madam Glam gel polish design. So Madam Glam have challenged us creators to create a set of nails in under 10 minutes using their products. Now I've stuck some full cover tips on my nails because my nails are so short. I wanted there to be a little bit of length for me to work with. So you'll see I've applied some full cover tips. I've just stuck them on with nail glue for the purpose of the video, guys. So I've pulled out my timer. We're going to keep that in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. These are the products that I'm going to be using today. So I'm using the Madam Glam base coat. I'm using Rosy Nude, which is one of my favourite base colours. Fantasy, which is another one of my favourite Madam Glam colours. Beautiful that is. Also going to be using Madam Glam's Chrome Gel Liner. Beautiful. And Madam Glam's Velvet Matte Top Coat. I did end up using Madam Glam's Shiny Top Coat as well. So let's get started. So I've already prepped my nails off camera. I'm now applying the base coat to all 5 nails. Now let me tell you a little bit about this competition while I'm doing this. So Madam Glam has challenged their creators to create a mani in under 10 minutes. Then we're supposed to reel on TikTok and Instagram, and the 10 with the most interactions, i.e. comments and likes, Madam Glam are going to feature on their platforms, and a winner is going to be chosen out of those 10, and then you guys can vote for the winner. Now the content creator is going to win a gift card, but also a voter is also going to win a gift card too. There's going to be 2 content creator winners and there's going to be 2 voters winners, one from Instagram and one from TikTok. Now my video is a little bit late going out, guys. I was hoping my voice was going to be better for this video because I'm really struggling to explain everything, because the winners are going to be chosen tomorrow. So I'm going to leave the links to my Instagram post and my TikTok post in my description box below. And if you like this set of nails, please click the links, head on over there, give both posts a like and a comment. I'd really appreciate your support. It would be nice to see a little channel winning one of these competitions, because obviously these bigger channels, they've got a lot bigger following, so they're more likely to win. But it's the taking part that counts, hey guys. So this is Fantasy. Look at that colour. It is beautiful. It's got a really subtle shimmer running through it. It's beautiful. And I only needed to do 1 coat as well. It's so pigmented. So that's really helpful when you're trying to do a fast mani or you haven't got a lot of time. Only having to apply 1 coat is perfect. So once that's all applied, I'll cure that in the lamp for 1 minute. So now we're on to the artwork, and I'm just doing a little swirly line coming across the tip of this nail, and then I'm also going to do a swirly line on the middle nail but in the cuticle area, and I'm using Madam Glam's striping brush to do this. I really like this brush to do like squiggly lines and stuff. It's a really nice length and thickness.
Let's make a movie with you, baby. I just wanna movie with your loving.
I'm now going to paint a heart on each nail. I should have really done this with a dotting tool, but it still worked out alright in the end anyway. Now guys, look at the time, we're running out of time. But I'm going to carry on because I didn't actually stop the timer when I was curing my nails, and I don't think cure time should be included in the 10 minutes. Yes guys, I am one of these that does cheat in games and stuff, making up the rules as I go along. But it's true, I don't think the cure time should have been allowed in the 10 minutes. So I'm going to allow myself an extra couple of minutes for cure time. And to be fair, I am a little bit poorly as well, so I am a little bit slower than normal. Here comes the excuses, eh? Right, so I'm going to pop them in the lamp to cure. As you can see, epic fail, we're on over 11 minutes. So now I'm just going to give them all a top coat. Now, I did give them all a velvet matte top coat, guys, but I wasn't happy with that fantasy with the velvet matte top coat over the top. So off camera, I did apply the No Wipe shiny top coat on the fantasy nails. I just think it looks so much better shiny. Always remember to cap that free edge when you are top coating as well, guys. That will stop your gel polish from peeling. And I'm going to cure them for 30 seconds. And now we're just going to do a little wiggly line using Madam Glam's Silver Chrome gel liner paint. Now, what I love about this silver gel liner, guys, it cures without a tacky layer, so you don't have to then cure it and go over it with a top coat. You can top coat all your nails, do your nail art with your chrome liner, cure that, and you're good to go. I really like that. It just makes things so much easier. It means you can have a shiny chrome nail art over a matte background, and you haven't got to faff about top coating over the top of it. It's just so much better. Once I'm happy with those, I'll cure those for 60 seconds, and that is them all finished. Not quite under 10 minutes, but like I said, I don't think the cure time should be in that 10 minutes anyway. Just going to pop a little bit of cuticle oil on now, just give those cuticles a little bit of nourishment. I really like this Madam Glam cuticle oil, it's beautiful. Ta-da! That's them all done. Look at that fantasy, guys. That is a beautiful colour, isn't it? I really, really like it. You can't really see that subtle shimmer very well. You can see it there a little bit on that pointer finger, but it is a beautiful, beautiful colour. I really like that silver shiny chrome on a matte background as well. I think that looks really smart. So yeah, 11 minutes and 4 seconds. I don't think that's bad going, especially for me because I am quite slow when it comes to nail art anyway. So I'm just going to pop some rings on now for the pictures. I just think nails look so much better when you've got rings on your fingers, don't you? I think the pictures look so much better. So that's them all finished, guys. Like I said at the beginning of the video, I'm going to leave the links to my Instagram reel and my TikTok reel in my description box below. I'd really appreciate it if you'd head over there and give both posts a like and a comment. Even if the comment is just an emoji, guys, it's just interaction. It all helps. So Madam Glam's going to choose the 10 reels with the most interactions tomorrow, guys. Tomorrow is the deadline. And they're going to pop the winners on their platforms, and then you guys can vote for your favourite. So hopefully a couple of you lovelies are going to be winners. So I want to wish you all the very best of luck. I have also got a 35% off discount code for Madam Glam as well, guys, which is GG35. I'll leave that pinned in my comments along with a link to the website if anyone wants to go over there and have a look. I will leave the names to all the products that I've used today in my description box below. I think that is everything. I really hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing. And I hope to see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.